Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated by the experience of trying to get help from a call center? Maybe you've been put on hold for hours or transferred from one person to another without ever getting a resolution. Maybe the person you spoke to was rude or unhelpful. If you've ever had any of these experiences, you know how important it is to have a well-run call center. A good call center can make a big difference in your customer satisfaction and overall business success. So, if you're ready to learn how to set up your own Nextiva call center, let's get started. In this video, we're going to cover the following topics. What is Nextiva? Why choose Nextiva for your call center? How to set up a Nextiva call center. Tips for running a successful call center. What is Nextiva? Nextiva is a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of features, including phone service, VoIP, video conferencing, and CRM. Nextiva is a great choice for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use, affordable, and scalable. Why choose Nextiva for your call center? There are a number of reasons why you should choose Nextiva for your call center. Nextiva is easy to use. The platform is very intuitive, so you won't need to spend a lot of time learning how to use it. Nextiva is affordable. Nextiva offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. Nextiva is scalable. You can easily add or remove users as your business grows. Nextiva offers a variety of features. Nextiva has all the features you need to run a successful call center, including call routing, call recording, and IVR. How to set up a Nextiva call center. Setting up a Nextiva call center is easy. Here are the steps. Sign up for a Nextiva account. Choose a call center plan. Add users to your account. Set up your call center phone numbers. Configure your call center settings. Train your agents. Tips for running a successful call center. Once you've set up your Nextiva call center, there are a few things you can do to ensure its success. Hire the right people. Your call center agents should be friendly, knowledgeable, and helpful. Provide training. Make sure your agents are well-trained on how to use Nextiva and how to handle customer inquiries. Set up a quality assurance program. This will help you ensure that your agents are providing excellent customer service. Monitor your call center performance. Keep track of your call center metrics, such as average handle time and customer satisfaction scores. Setting up a Nextiva call center is a great way to improve your customer satisfaction and overall business success. By following the tips in this video, you can set up a call center that will help you provide excellent customer service to your customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.